In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add gold into MetaTrader 5 on laptop or PC. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 like you usually would. Then from here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go over to Market Watch over here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different symbols over here. But if you can't see the gold one, don't worry. If you go down to the 15 out of 9,220 and double click on it, you will see this page right here, also called symbols. Here you'll need to click on specification and go down to metals down here. From here you can see all of these symbols. And as you can see over here, the XAUUSD or gold versus US dollar is right here. Here you'll just need to click show symbol and click OK. And from here, to show it inside of your dashboard, you can just drag it over right here. And then it will be visible for you. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.